Today, we're going to be talking about different clothing in different weather. So, for sunny days, it's recommended that you have sunglasses, a hat or a cap to keep out the sun, a towel around the neck to wipe off any sweat and to keep your body temperature cool, a long sleeve t-shirt and pants to protect yourself from any branches or scratches that may come your way, sunscreen if applicable, and normal hiking shoes. For rainy weather, you should have waterproof pants, a waterproof wind jacket that has a hood to protect your head from rain, waterproof sturdy hiking boots or shoes, and either a waterproof bag or a poncho that can cover your back along when you're hiking. And for winter, you want an undershirt to preserve your heat while being able to release any additional heat from your body. Long sleeve t-shirts, waterproof or snowproof pants depending on the weather, a lightweight fleece or pullover to preserve body heat, winter gloves, hat or a beanie, and a scarf for heat preservation, as well as waterproof hiking boots and snow goggles if applicable to your own weather.